administration, even though 2 of them were sentenced to prison. And do we have the tape? Could we just play the... I just want to... Oh, here's the director of the National Anti-Corruption Bureau of Ukraine, which was set up by the Obama administration and the Soros people to root out corruption. So their handpicked guy is Artem Stinyk, and how do I say it? What's his name? Steinik? Sitnik. Okay, Sitnik, whatever. Artem. His first name is Artem. Do I care about his second name? By the way, he's the director of the National Anti-Corruption Bureau of Ukraine, started by us. And what's he talking about here? That he actually helped Hillary Clinton. Oh yeah, that's right. He's bragging about how he was working to throw the Hillary Clinton campaign. Now, if you don't think that they had any reason, you think that was just bribery or whatever, no. All of these people, because they are all George Soros people, all these people felt that Donald Trump was just going to be the worst guy ever for Ukraine because he's too pro-Russia. So their country, they believed, was at stake because he was just not going to do anything. We're only getting blankets from the Obama administration. We need bombs and weapons. He'll never do that. That's exactly what he did. He went in and gave them the weapons that Obama wouldn't give them. That's just how pro-Russia he is. So they were all motivated to make sure that Hillary Clinton was the next president. Here he is admitting it, the head of the Anti-Corruption Bureau, that he's the guy who did it. And we're now going to be told by who? Dr. Hill? Dr. Hill. Okay, I insist that you call me Doctor as well, okay? I'm Dr. Beck. So Dr. Hill is going to tell us how there is nothing going on in Ukraine today. Jason, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Jason is our head researcher and has been absolutely brilliant on putting this story together. We have another, I can't call them specials anymore, because really every show that you're watching, because this is so fast and furious, every show you're watching, if you missed it last night, you missed Rudy Giuliani. We're going to go through that phone call from him yesterday on the TV show. It was jaw-dropping.